Hello, thanks for coming. I'm Fuzzee Dee. Welcome to Fuzzee Tutorials. Knowledge is power. What you will find here are both in-depth tutorials and masterclasses, as well as quick tips and short reviews. Before I started this channel, I needed to get caught up on current tech in many areas that I had missed during an almost 15-year break from the tech space. Like many of you, I turned to YouTube for much of that knowledge. I found it frustrating when I would watch a tutorial and have to keep pausing and rewinding because they were going through things so quickly. I found many videos also glossed over the smaller details I really needed to learn. I'm not sure if this was by design to encourage me to watch more of their videos, or if they just assumed I should know these details before watching their videos. Regardless, it required me to spend a lot of time watching tons of videos across multiple channels to get the information I needed. This fact, as well as old clients and friends seeking me out when they heard I was back in the tech game, helped me decide to create a tech tutorial channel with a different philosophy. Although I do put out shorter videos, my main focus is on producing tutorials that teach you almost everything you need to know to become a confident practitioner in the subject being covered. Sometimes this requires the videos to be quite long. I do try and hold them down to an hour or so if I can. Sometimes this means I will have to split up the subject into multiple chapters, which I try and produce in order, one after the other. On this channel, I have broken subject matter up into relevant playlists. True masterclass series will usually have their own dedicated playlist. I also have a website with more information, portfolios, resources, digital products, physical merch, and other useful links. You can find the site at fuzzeedee.ca. That's www.fuzzeedee.ca. You can find the links here to my other socials as well. As part of my philosophy, I encourage questions, suggestions, and constructive criticism. I have created many tutorials at the request of viewers, or because questions in the comments inspired me to create one. If you find a mistake, make sure to let me know in the comments so I can address it. I usually do this in the description for that video, but sometimes I will do a follow-up video, and on rare occasions I will redo the video and remove the old one to ensure you are getting reliable information. Let's pump up those neurons, become a tech ninja, join our community and level up that skill set. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I look forward to seeing you around the channel. Happy trails, my friends.